Right now, one of the top models in video generation is the SeeDance model. Recently, they announced their latest model, SeeDance 2.5. Currently, you can't use it for free on most platforms, but in this video, we're going to see how you can try SeeDance 2.5 for free. For that, open any browser. After opening the browser, search for a story AI. Alternatively, there's a link in the description and comment box below. You can click that link to access it. If you access it through that link, you may receive some additional credits. Anyway, open that website. Once the website opens, you'll see a Create Now option here, or click on the Start Creating option. After clicking it, you'll get the option to log in using your Google account. You can also log in using Discord. For this example, I'm logging in with a Google account.
After logging in, it'll ask for some permissions. Click on Accept and Continue and complete those selections. Then you'll arrive at a page like this. Here, click on Continue with the free plan to get started using the free plan. You'll also see a section called Workspace. Click on All. Once you click on All, you'll see the New Project option. Click on it, and a new page will open. Normally, when you log in, you'll receive 200 credits for free.
Sometimes you may receive even more credits. Also, if you join through Discord, you'll get an extra 50 credits. Anyway, you'll see a video option here. Click on it. If you don't see many options after clicking, you can zoom out a little. Once you zoom out and click here, you'll be able to see the prompt box and other related options. Now, just click anywhere around where it says Video 1, and you'll get the option to enter a prompt. For now, I'm entering a simple prompt. When you enter a prompt, try to add as many details as possible. There are also some options below. If you can't see them, zoom out as mentioned earlier. After zooming out, you'll see more options here. You can also see that SeeDance 2.5 has already been selected as the model. So the video will be generated using SeeDance 2.5. It works with the Omni model. If you want, you can also provide a last frame or first frame. There's also an option to select the aspect ratio. If you're creating a long-form video, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. If it's for shorts, select 9:16. You can set it according to your preference. There's also an option to choose the resolution. I'm setting it to 480p because we're using the free version. You can also set how many seconds long you want the video to be. Anyway, I've entered a prompt. After entering the prompt, you'll see the Generate button here. It looks like this. Click on it. Once you click it, the video generation process will start. Then wait a little while for the video to be generated. For some reason, the prompt I initially entered was against their policy, so I modified the prompt and tried again. Now I've received a result. I'm opening the video and let's play it. As you can see, we've received fairly good results.
If you want to download this video, you'll see a Download Video button at the top. Click on that download button and the video will be downloaded. However, there's one thing to note. A watermark will appear because we're using the free version. If you need more credits, you'll see a Claim 200 option here. Click on it and you'll receive an additional 200 credits. So every month, you'll get 200 credits on this platform. You can use those 200 credits to generate videos. So that's how you can generate videos for free using SeeDance 2.5 right now. I hope you found this video useful. Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like.